welcome to Colombia, no? Let's imagine there is a line. Solamente yo casi quiero interviews back. That's part of the everything is a great combination, no? I can go, I mean, earn some money, have some alcohol, sex, food, finish with sex, no? But let's talk only about food. What is the most typical paisa dish you can get here in Paisa land? The most typical one. Arepa, no. Bandeja paisa. Bandeja paisa. What? The locals can go by and they don't hate us. Ay, estos gringos all over the place. So. Among the horses, there is a wheel and it has some funny looking spoons around. And there is a Pelton wheel. It was a turbine to generate electricity, one of the triggers for the Industrial Revolution. If you keep moving toward the left, you see some people fighting, and among them, guys, come a little bit closer again. Before this is stop number. What is? Yeah, okay. You want fresh food? It has the red food. In Medellin are the textiles, clothing manufacturing, fashion, design. Behind these buildings, we are going to find a lot of clothing factories. So you are buying almost directly from the manufacturer. The second reason, a lot of the brands, they are local. They are not buying, Levi's, Adidas, they are the symbol of legality. Nowadays, it is quite the opposite. Because every time you do something fake, of course the way you get it. So what you are expected to do here is to bargain, to drop the price off. I know, it's only Poles, like Mario, but we don't do that. Colombia, right over here. Do you know that, un tinto in Paisa land, it is only a black coffee. It's not red wine, I wish. Black coffee. You come to this place and tell them, hey, one coffee, 2,500. But if you come and say, one coffee please, it's gonna be 2,000. But if you come and say, hey, good morning, can I have a coffee please? It's 1,600. So they are dropping the price off just because you're being polite. I know it's a silly example, but it's a lovely one, and they really do it. Do you have any question? So we are going to study.
Скажу, почему это? Он курит траву очень ужасное количество, поэтому это типа...
And they get some massage, no? Companionship.
You know you see his ass.